So I'll head over to Knowledge Base and scroll down till you see LodgeiT Smart Excel Utility. Go into the first article, download the utility, and wait for it to stop flashing there. And you can see you've then got the option to install that. The publisher is signed, so it's got a signed publisher, which means that you shouldn't see any error messages. But if you do, you just have to accept. It is a secure utility which has got an encrypted sign across the top of it. So that's installed now. And notice that Excel is closed. So Excel is not open on my machine. I'll open it now. So you don't try to install this while your Excel is open, otherwise you'll have a failure. Now you've got the LodgeiT Smart Excel utility there. Here I've opened up a QuickBooks profit and loss report, and to convert this I open my LodgeiT Smart utility, choose the application from which this report was generated, which in this case was the old QuickBooks desktop, and select the type of report, which in this case you can see it's a profit and loss. I've put in my initials and the initials for my firm. I've selected the current year. In this case there is only 1 year. And I've put in a client code. So you must have either an ABN or a TFN or a client code. Not and. This is or. And then here I'll generate that as a profit loss 2015. XML saved successfully, and now it's simply a case of looking inside the folder to which you exported it. So pay attention to where you export it to, and you should find it looks like that if you double click and open it with Notepad. Now I don't have any software, so I'll make my own balance sheet and profit and loss using templates. I'll use a balance sheet template, and I will use a profit and loss template. I need one of both. So I need one which will be the from to for the profit and loss, and the as at for the balance sheet. And then really it's simply a case of staying within the guardrail. So what do I mean by that? If you're going to add a new row, add from under like that. So you could have, say, blue widget. Right, and put in your value. Don't try to add in rows above. Stay within the guardrails. So as long as the report stays in this kind of format, you shouldn't have a problem. To extract the report, same as with the QuickBooks profit and loss I showed previously, but simply come up here to the LodgeiT standard. In this case it's a profit and loss. Make sure you've got in your ABN, TFN or client code, one of them, not all, and we'll write over the top of that 2015 profit and loss. XML successfully exported, and if I look in there and take a look now, you'll see that it has the dates that you see over here. So it has the dates that you see there from to, and you saw me put in the $123 for the blue widget. Now once you've generated your profit and loss and balance sheet for a given financial time frame, simply import like this. So if we know the folder that we've got the files in, I've got a balance sheet and a profit and loss there for 2019 financial year, and you can see they'll import, and then all you have to do from there is go and handle the classification, which you can see in this case has been handled automatically for us.